Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I want to show you a braided super quick updo. I really did this style in 2 minutes. I'm doing a Dutch braid at the back of my head, so take 3 strands and then you go under the middle strand. When you are under, you incorporate some hair. Bring left under, incorporate some hair, right under, bring some hair to that strand until you have everything combined into a Dutch braid. My hair is shorter, so I just braid it until my neck. Then I take a small elastic, one of those tiny ones that you nearly do not see, and I brought together the ends because when you have short hair they are strong, and for have it easier to flip them under, and then pressing the rest of the ponytail under the braided hair. And when you have it inside, just hold everything together and then use enough bobby pins to pin everything into place. So the ponytail is underneath right now, and with just 2 bobby pins I was holding it. You can even loose up the braid a bit, then it looks fuller. And then that one strand on the left hand side that peeked out, I used another bobby pin later because I did not like it. This is the final result. Hope you like it, super quick. If you're new on our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and see you back very soon. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.